my name's Dante. This is James. James is an EMT. He saves lives all day. It's going to be perfect hair for it's going to be perfect for using the razor on. Got a really nice, soft, natural hairline in the back. We'll work with those soft cowlicks that are happening around the edges. We're going to keep this pretty square and kind of hit around the collar with the length. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find where his occipital bone is. I can feel it right there. I'm going to take a horseshoe section, just following the head shape, and I'm going to separate out everything that's underneath the occipital bone. And that's where I'm going to start my haircut today. So this is something that I like to teach people about getting some really good dexterity. I want to see people that can really cut in all directions with the razor. I think that's really key to your success with this tool. Take the whole section in my hands like this. Check my guide right here. I'm taking my stroke pretty slow so you guys can see it working through the hair. So I'm going to start from the back, from the crown, and I'm going to cut from the back to the front, and it's going to go a little short to long from the back to the front. So I'll come from this side, and I'll work my way right back to myself over here on this side.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.